Welcome to my channel. I just want to do a quick little unboxing of this case that I got from Amazon. It's by this company named Poetic. Was looking for a case, as you guys can see back here, I just got this type cover. Not type cover, smart keyboard, sorry, for the iPad 7th gen to 10.2 inch. I kind of wanted a case that can still hold my pencil, my Apple Pencil, but able to kind of take it off the keyboard and not have to take the case off, or that the case works with the keyboard. And I found this one by Poetic. I actually like the packaging that it came in, so it's going to be really quick. It's not really much to it, so we're going to go ahead and take it out of the pack. We're gonna set this aside over here. It comes wrapped in this material, and we're gonna pull it out. And wow, here it is. So it's a clear case, but it's the darker one. I have the space gray one, so I got the darker case. It's pretty darn clear, if you guys can see that. Sorry, I had it upside down. Looking at it, it does have the cutout for the camera. There is a slot right here for your Apple Pencil. There's also a groove right in here for you to take the pencil out. So we're gonna keep it short and simple. We're gonna go ahead. I have my iPad here. We're gonna go ahead and put it inside of the case like so. There we go. It is a TPU case and actually fits pretty well. It does have bumpers on each side. Apple Pencil is here. The great thing about this is this side is actually left open for the smart connector, so I can connect the keyboard. We're gonna go ahead and put that Apple Pencil in as well, so you guys can see what it looks like. Oh, there we go. So that's the whole package right there without the whoops, sorry about that. Without the keyboard attached to it. That does look pretty cool. I like how that Apple Pencil fits right in there. This does work perfect for me. I actually do draw and make logos and such. I do use Procreate as well, so just a few things I have sketched up on there. So that's why I actually wanted this. I want to keep it docked on the keyboard case and stuff like that, but when I am ready to draw, I don't want to necessarily have to switch cases or anything. So we're gonna go ahead and actually connect this to the smart cover, and that's the whole kind of setup there, if I can get it in pretty well. So my Apple Pencil is up top. I have my keyboard down here. You know, I can take it off, pull the keyboard in, and close it. And that's what it looks like closed. So the Apple Pencil does stick up here. It's actually pretty snug, so it's not going to fall off. You would really have to push it out to get it to fall out. That's the whole package. The thickest part about this is really actually the keyboard itself. This case without it is pretty thin. Again, we can just detach the case and use it by itself. You know, when I'm done, I can connect the smart keyboard back to it, fold it back out, fold it in, and use it like so. So there we go. I'm actually really happy with this case. Again, this case is by a company named Poetic. I do believe at the time of me purchasing it, it was on sale for about 10 bucks. It's great. It pretty much does what I need it to do. And again, it is transparent, so you still can't see that Apple logo. I like it. Now one more thing, we'll do the cutouts and stuff too. So there's the speaker grill cutout, lightning port of the speaker grill. Up top, a cutout for the noise canceling microphone, another one back here, and then the headphone jack as well, power button, volume keys on the side. They are a little stiff, but I mean, it's a new case, so I'm just gonna assume they'll kind of wear in. They do work, they just are kind of stiff at the moment. And then again, side is left blank for the smart connector and Apple Pencil. So yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with this. Again, this case is by Poetic. It's for this one will fit the 10.2-inch iPad as well as the iPad Air 3. And I believe the 2017 10.5-inch iPad Pro as well. It'll fit all 3 models. So there we go. Thank you guys for watching.